There are two brush caps that secure your tool's motor brushes. The plastic caps thread into the brush holders to hold the brushes in place. Most problems with the brush caps occur when they are being removed or installed. If a cap is over-tightened, the slots for the screwdriver can be stripped or cracked. Over-tightening can also cause the entire brush cap to crack in half. It is easy to cross-thread the cap and damage its threads. Replacing the brush cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush cap from the motor. There are two brush caps, one on either side of the motor. I'll remove the damaged cap. I'll use a screwdriver to unscrew it. Now I can install the new cap. I'll center the cap over the brush. Compress the brush spring as I align the threads on the brush cap to the threads on the brush holder. To tighten the cap, I'll start by spinning it in reverse until the threads engage with the threads on the brush holder. Then I can tighten it. And I'll be careful to not over-tighten the cap so I don't crack it. And I'll repeat this on the other side if needed. And that's how easy it is to install new brush caps on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.